have vanished in the past 2 months, making it hard for them to earn a living. Nobody is sure why there are fewer bees around, but scientists think it has to do with climate change or the heavy use of pesticides.
Over 10 million bees have mysteriously disappeared in Taiwan recently, and beekeepers are having a tough time making money. They estimate the number of bees has fallen off by between 30 and 50%, and scientists think it may be because changes in climate have affected the bees' orientation behavior and navigation. It's possibly because of this year's climate. The bees may be less able to withstand these changes to the environment, said Chen Yuwen, an associate professor in National Ilan University's Department of Animal Science. The United States has suffered from a similar drop in its bee population. Earlier this month, the U.S.'s 600,000 bee farms reported the loss of billions of bees since late last year, and worried farmers took to the streets to ask Congress for help. Scientists have advanced another theory for the strange phenomenon. They suggest that the big declines coming during the spring planting season may mean that the bees have been affected by pesticides. Lately, there's some evidence of two types of pesticides that change the bees' behavior, making it impossible for them to return home, Chen said. It's still unclear if climate change or the overuse of pesticides is hurting the bee population, but scientists believe their disappearance does reflect the heavy toll of human activity on the environment and offers a harsh reminder of how fragile the ecosystem is.